Peace. This Tyrain L. We back again for our monthly forecast and weekly forecast. It is March the 2nd, so it's the beginning of the month. And what we like to do is at the beginning of the month, we like to run through the monthly charts on our algorithm to see if we see a possible reversal. And we'll also check the weekly chart. So we're going to start with the monthly chart. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our MetaTrader 4 setup. We'll run through these pair fairly quickly. Um, we bring it to the monthly chart. So this is the monthly chart. So we're just looking for any possible reversals on the monthly. We won't enter on the monthly. Typically, we'll enter on the daily. However, if we can see that the market is looking to reverse, we may be able to find a support and resistance zone, catch a pullback, and get in and ride it for a couple of months. You know, if you catch it at the right time, it's possible. And you can always add multiple positions. So we're going to start here with Euro USD, and we're going to just run down the line here. I'm going through this quickly, not reading out each pair. But this is good to do at the beginning of the month and the beginning of the week. It's Sunday at 6:50 Eastern Standard Time. So the market just opened about an hour and 50 minutes ago, almost 2 hours ago. And this is the best time to start looking at it for the week. Kind of see if we see anything that we need to keep our eye on. As always, you can check this out and go put it through your algorithm or your trading style and see if you see what I see. Couple different eyes, set of eyes to look at it, but doesn't hurt. Well, so far I'm not really seeing anything that's jumping out. Again, I don't trade the monthly, but okay, looks like we have a buy signal here. This is AUD Swiss, so this is on the monthly. We got another buy signal. To the daily, no buy signal. 4 hour, it looks like we're just starting to reverse. So what we're gonna do is gonna do trading view. Let me pull up trading view real quick. And we will look at trading view. Let's see. AUD Swiss, trading view. Bam. So as you can see, this is the 4 hour. We got the daily here. This right here indicates a possible reversal. This right here. So this is a nice little area right here. Would have loved to have gotten in at one of these two positions. This would have been great, but it already has passed this. Will it come back down here? Possibly. What I would like to do is set a buy here at 0.55957. And I'm going to set an alarm there on my system. Let's see, I'll set an alarm for a possible buy. So if it comes back down and touches this, I would definitely buy. My stop loss would be down here. Again, guys, we are talking about the daily, the monthly. So you're going to have to give it a little breathing room. So if you were to get in here, your stop loss would be, oh, it's still not much, 23 pips. Yeah, this pair doesn't move a lot. So 23 pips is not a lot on the weekly. So we're going to keep an eye open. Maybe an opportunity to get in today, possibly. But I would like to see it pull back some. But this candle is strong, and I think we may be reversing. And I would definitely have my take profit up here at 0.56666. Okay, so this is one that you can keep an eye on in the coming weeks. Let's go back to our MetaTrader 4. Now again, you got a buy signal on the monthly, very powerful buy signal on the weekly. So you might even see this move next week. You don't have a buy on the daily, 4 hour reversal, 1 hour. If we go to 15 minute, but again, these are lower time frames. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. This is something I definitely be possibly looking to get into in the next. Let's look and see if we see anything else. AUDJPY, nah, not really seeing anything else. Now this is interesting. This is CHFJPY. It does look like we're starting to go down on a monthly, but kind of already missed this. It's been going down for weeks, for days, and it looks like it may be about to start to go up. So this could just be a pullback, but I definitely wouldn't get in this right now on no monthly chart. Okay, this one is interesting. CAD Swiss. We do have a reversal on the monthly, but this was 1, 2, 3. This is like 4 months ago and it never moved. Weekly, we got a strong buy on a daily possible reversal. So this is definitely one that we could start to look at, CAD Swiss, for a buy. So I'm going to go to Trading View, and that's where I do more analysis to see if what I'm seeing looks good. So that's going to be CAD Swiss. Go over here, open this, CAD Swiss, bam. Okay, so look at this jump. Close here, open all the way up here. So yeah, so this is definitely looking like a possible buy. This is on the daily. Here's the weekly. And on the monthly, this is what we're looking like. Big, this could be a pin candle, but it's just really been consolidating in this area. I like this blue line here, 0.62367, 376. This is a good possible entry. So I will put possible buy there. Set an alarm there for me just in case. Go here to the weekly. Kind of too early to tell, but on the daily, I do like this as a buy, but I think it may pull back some and then go up. So I'm going to definitely keep an eye on this. But this is definitely a possible buy coming. It's been consolidating for weeks, and I think that it's just gaining up orders and momentum. And once it goes, I think it's going to go up for weeks. So eye on this. Possibly next week may be a good time to enter. So I'm gonna be looking for pullbacks on this pair. Let's see here. I'm gonna go back to Rwanda, which is our broker, MetaTrader 4. And let's look at a few more pair. We're almost done our 27 pair that we go through every week, every day, and every month. And that's about it. I've been looking at Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen. Recently, it seems to work pretty good with my algorithm, but I'm not actively trading that yet. So, all right. So now we're going to go down to the weekly chart and do the same thing that we just did to see if our algorithm picks up anything for the weekly. Nothing here. I'm going to run through this fairly quickly. Nothing, nothing. Nothing here. Nothing here. Weekly GBP odd has gotten pretty high. I'm gonna keep an eye on this for a possible reversal coming up soon. It's at a very high point. Let's see, GBP CAD. USD CAD. We're looking for a reverse indication. So this is AUD Swiss. We did go over that. So that is still showing a buy on the weekly. Let's see here. If there any other pairs? Okay, so CAD Swiss. Again, we did look at that as well. We do like that. So possibly next week. But we're going to flex on that during the week. Okay, so here we go. NZD Swiss on the weekly. We have a buy. Daily did just break a zone. Let me go to trading view, pull this up. That was this. We're gonna pull it up here. NZD Swiss. NZD Swiss. Okay. Let me share my screen. NZD Swiss. So here we go right here. If you look at this, this is the daily. Here is the weekly. So it was a big drop last week. So it's probably going to pull back if anything. And then this is the month. And we got a buy signal on the weekly. So right now would be, I guess, the time to buy. Maybe you could put a buy limit right here at 0.50490. This is not a bad space to buy at. Let's see, buy here. And if you were to buy here, the stop loss would be somewhere down here, which would give you a, and again, guys, this is the weekly. Keep that in mind. This is the weekly chart. But this would be a, oh, not bad, 23 pip stop loss. Not bad at all. Be looking to shoot here for about 60. And then this would be a second take profit, 133. But that's only if it's a full reversal. So we'll keep an eye on this during the week. Because if we would enter on the daily minimum, I mean, you could enter on a 1 hour, get a better position, but we trade the daily chart. We have a passive system of trading, and I do share my signals with my online community, um, Tyrane.com. Come link up with us. Divine Forex. Okay. So on the weekly, not much else to really look for. We're going to just keep an eye on those two pairs that we really like. We're going to stick with those. In particular, that CAD Swiss. I'm really watching that. Share my screen here. CAD Swiss. I'm really keeping an eye on this. And I would like for it to come down here somewhere and for a buy. So this is one we're going to keep an eye on. And if you got any questions or comments, you can leave it below. Divine Forex, reach out to us. Link up with our online community, Tyrane.com, Divine Forex. We show anybody, how to become a profitable trader by learning about yourself. We teach you to use math to learn more about yourself. If you have a system already, then this is like journaling without journaling. You think about it in those terms. And we've been able to help quite a few people become profitable by teaching them my system. Unfortunately, we have a lot of skeptics out here, so it's something you have to try for yourself to see if it works. But Divine Forex is a mathematical divination system used to help you become a profitable trader and give you an edge in the markets by understanding your personal daily cycles. Super easy, no complicated math. Only one book you got to get, and will help you to understand how to do the cycles, or show you how to calculate the cycles. Super easy, and then you just Read it every day that you're gonna trade. You go through it, plug the numbers in, read what it has to say for that day, and govern yourself accordingly. Great, great tool to add to the person who has a system but is just looking for a slight edge. Or if you're like me and hate the journal, hate journal. If you hate journaling, then this is it. This is the secret key. You won't need the journal. All you need is this book, and it's gonna tell you what you got coming up for the rest of your life every single day. I know it sounds absurd in the way we've been taught to look at things, but I can tell you it works. So reach out to us if you're interested. Some pairs to look out for this week. Hopefully, I've given some insight. I want to say peace to everybody. Talk to you soon.